Project AI Score is focused on improving writing outcomes. Timely and specific feedback is essential for student growth. AI Score is a 9-minute progress monitoring system designed to improve writing outcomes for middle schoolers with disabilities. So, how do we keep humans in the loop? Our approach is designed to ensure that the teacher remains the final authority in the classroom. The AI Score system processes and analyzes student writing, helping teachers make data-informed instructional decisions in their classrooms. Our rubric, which combines 4 well-established writing rubrics, was developed by leading writing researchers. Teachers have remained a critical part of the system throughout the development process. Teachers and researchers co-created the writing prompts with AI to ensure they were all content neutral, at the 3rd grade reading level, and appropriate for middle school students. Teachers meticulously evaluated the AI-generated feedback to ensure the system was accurate, appropriate, and effective before it was launched in schools. Now that it's in classrooms, this human oversight continues in a different way. Teachers provide real-time input by rating the system's feedback with a simple thumbs up or thumbs down. This powerful partnership between the teacher and the AI creates a cycle of development and feedback. Teachers' ratings of the AI's feedback help to improve the model over time, making it even more precise and valuable. It's a collaborative process where the AI learns from the teacher, and the teacher gets the data to inform their instruction from the AI. Now, let's look at how our students interact with the AI. Our platform is built on a core principle: the AI does not write for the student. Our system is designed to improve written expression and critical thinking skills. Instead of generating text, the system provides a personalized assistant for every writer. Oscar, our friendly on-screen assistant, guides students through their writing assignments, helping them brainstorm ideas, structure their paragraphs, and refine their arguments. We're not just scoring writing, we're helping students build the skills they need to become confident and effective communicators for life. When students finish the 9-minute write, our large language model provides immediate and targeted feedback on their writing. This feedback is all about helping them improve their skills in the areas of content, organization, and style. The goal is to empower them to become more confident and independent writers by teaching them the skills they need to express their own ideas. Our system gives teachers the data and insights they need to deliver effective writing instruction and improve writing outcomes for all learners. Learn more at projectaiscore.org.